Hello, my name is Jairo Puga. I study business administration of the Indo-America University. I study administration because I enjoy doing business and developing new ideas. If you want to be a business administrator, you need to be responsible with money. You must be visionary with your goals. You cannot be disorganized in your assigned task. I want to be the architect 6 years old ago, but I didn't have enough money. Thank you.